I wanted to challenge myself by flipping 4 computers and seeing how much money I could make doing that. So I ordered all the parts, decided to build them live on stream, and take my chances listing them on OfferUp, Craigslist, and Letgo. So let's see how that all went. But first, coffee. Hey everyone, Chris with Coalition Gaming here. So here we are in the living room setup. You'll see this microphone and maybe some other stuff here. And that's because, again, we're live streaming this, so make sure you guys catch that in the VOD linked below. Anyways, so I have a couple of computers that I collected parts for that I've been meaning to build, and I just needed to find the time. Didn't find the time, so decided to just get it out of here. Get them built. I need to get that money back, so I need to get them flipped ASAP. So it's time to build. So, well, let's get all the parts. All right, well, that's all the parts. Let's go ahead and get to building. I actually benchmarked one of these systems with some popular titles, and I did that while streaming. So these systems are decently capable given the specs. You'd be surprised. Make sure you go on and check that video, and that'll be linked right above and also in the description below. So going over the totals, spent about $35 on each case, about $27 on all the PSU adapters, about $32 on all the CPUs, and about $54 on all the hard drives, about $160 on all the motherboards, and about $87 for the power supplies, and then about $150 for 2 of the graphics cards and $160 for the other 2, and for all the RAM, $41 for everything. You can see the breakdowns on screen, and then about $60 for the RGB fans. Grand total was $976.71, and total per PC broke down to $244.18. And then it was time to list on Craigslist, Letgo, and OfferUp, and then play the waiting game. I did start the listings a little higher at around $460, and then slowly brought them down over time to make sure I get them sold and get them out the door as soon as I could. And so the sales began. Alright, so I made a deal on the first computer, finally, and getting that put away in the truck right now, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and make this delivery. $420 is the deal on this one. Let's go do it. Person is meeting up with me right now. Let's do this. Still had the box for it. And one more thing here. Alright, so just let you go. So all this for $420, right? Yep. Perfect. Come in. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. No problem, Joy. Thank you. All right. Heck yeah. And there we go. $420. Computer 1 down. So I got to set up right here on the coffee table. Oh, okay. She's the best.
Well, the hard drive is something I'm probably going to upgrade for sure.
Sure.
You know, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes.
This is just, started off.
Yeah, it's all the price, it's all the specs. I was like, you know what, it doesn't sound too bad, And the RAM probably has got to be upgraded too.
Yeah, fortunately there's 2 open slots, so getting up to 12 gigs is pretty easy. You don't have to take any RAM out to do it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Are they, so each of those are 2 gigs each?
Yeah.
The ones that are in there?
Yeah.
Let's see.
this stuff out of the way. I was sort of cleaning up the area. Got the cash. 380. Hell yeah. Just getting ready still. Got a few orders in house for you, so that's a clear.
Yeah, well, I mean, I used to always just play on PS4, but I wanted to get a gaming PC. I was looking around, I saw this one come up, and the one I have at my mom's house, I was thinking of selling that one, but it's just like a basic computer. Just replace it with this one.
Well, that'll work.
Yeah.
Way more than basic.
Yeah.
There it is. Cool, man. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem. Please let me know if you're running any issues. Anything comes up within like the first month or two, like if anything stops working, I'll be happy to take a look at it for you.
Okay, yeah. I'll let you know.
The acrylics on the face scratches, turn the other way. Yeah, the knobs. The acrylics on the hand scratch.
Okay, so I'll watch out for that.
I actually just plugged it into a different monitor I used to test. Oh yeah, there's cheap. So, here's
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
cool. Thank you. But yeah, there it is. We got RX 470 in there, 8 gigs of RAM, cooler, everything's good to go.
Mind if you help me bring it out?
Yeah, no, I got you.
I'm scrawny, so.
It's alright, man. Yeah, computer technician is what I do for a job too. So.
That's fine.
Whoop whoop! Yeah, 400. Good to go. All 4 sold. Let's do this. And there we have it. All 4 computers sold. Those were, by the way, Z400 systems with Xeon W3565, just like an i7-960. That's a 4-core, 8-thread CPU, 3.2 to 3.4 gigahertz, I believe. 8 gigs of RAM in dual channel with 2 open slots to go to 12 gigs really easily to get to triple channel as well. And two of them had RX 470s. 2 of them had RX 570s, all 4 gigs. Got them for around the same cost, so it didn't really matter to me that there was any cost difference between the 470s and the 570s. So bonus for the sellers that got the 570, or the buyers that got the 570s first, right? And then there was EVGA 500 watt power supplies from Midweek Madness, I believe it was. And yeah, for the most part that covers it. I got the cases brand new off of Newegg. So there's still some nice stuff going on in there, some new parts mixed with used parts for the builds. So the total cost that I spent was $976.71, like I mentioned earlier. So the total per PC breaks down to $244.18. PC1 sold for $420, PC2 sold for $380, PC3 sold for $400, and PC4 also sold for $400. So that's a total revenue of $1,600. And then you minus the total spent on that, $976.71, and we result with a total profit of $623.29. So made a little over $600 selling these 4 computers, which is not an insignificant amount, actually. That's pretty good. And it did take me a little while to sell them all, but you know, they weren't taking up space or anything like that, so as they came, I sold them. And then all was well. So hopefully you guys like this kind of video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, by the way, if this is something that you enjoyed. And if you want to see more of this, drop a comment down below. How much have you made flipping computers or flipping anything in general? Computers aren't the only thing that I've flipped for money, so this is just one of the things I like doing. Anyways, if you guys like this video, click that thumbs up button, subscribe, we always got more coming. Join our Discord, we can talk more stuff like this. Everything is linked down in the description below. Our Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. And also don't forget, 8 p.m. Pacific every Thursday, we do our streams weekly. So make sure you tune in for one of those. Again, we'll see ya. Bye.
If I get real with you, y'all go like me less. If I share my real thoughts, that's a Monka TOS. Content creation is easy, ain't no stress. KristoferYee got the advice, he knows best. Hey, y'all know I can spit it. Where the me girls at? You know I'm trying to hit it. Are you down for the night? I'm trying to ride. Ooh, woo, Asian girl, show me that backside. I'm just kidding. I'm not that kind of dude. I would never objectify you. That shit's rude. There's a right time and place for us to be lewd. Psych, bitch, I'm an asshole. Send me the news. Sitting here trying to figure out what that mouth do. Smooth as hell on the dance floor next to you. Take you back to my place if that's cool. Have you in my bedroom like Magic Mike 2. 2 nights later, I catch feelings I like. I love you. You say, I really hope that's not true. Okay, so